Welcome to Manchester Memories, a blast from the past. In 1901, Market Street, with its horse-drawn trams, was a very busy place indeed. Manchester population continued to grow steadily down to the end of the century. In 1901 its population stood at around 700,000, only London and Glasgow were greater in size. Manchester's growth rested largely on the growth of the cotton industry, and by mid-century the city typified Britain as the workshop of the world. In the background can be seen Moss and Son, who were gents outfitters.